Go. Woo! What a shot!
And that's the boing, boing, boing. Like that. Yes, Tom.
Nice.
I erased it. Mom, Dad, I erased it.
Okay. Nice shot.
I erased it.
You lifted it?
Yeah. In the door.
Yeah, nice shot, bud. Oops. Good one. Did you get a goal?
Yeah.
Nice. Why don't you put the puck on the ice the right way?
What?
Put the puck down flat.
On this?
Yeah, flat.
On this?
No, flat.
On this?
Yeah, flat. Don't, down. Put it down. Put it down like it's supposed to be.
No.
Why?
On this. I hit it very far.
Oops. You missed.